Hello again. Um, uh, Let me lower down my audio though for a second, because I want you guys to hear me. This game is called Shotgun Farmers, in case you couldn't tell, by, this thing here. And, I have been playing this for a while. Look, here's H2O Delirious. Here's the Gaming Terrorizer. Here's Dahi Denogla, and here's Vanoss Gaming. Why am I H2O Delirious? Because I want to be, and not, this guy. I might put one of their channels in the description, like the link to their channels. Maybe Terrorizer though, since he's underrated. He's bullied a lot. In fact, you know what? Just for him, I'll play as him. I'm gonna play some. Let's see what I can. Let's see what I can do. Oh, random mode. Team deathmatch, chicken run, capture the pig, Juggernaut, free for all, King of the Crow, and tournament. Those are the different things for you get different game modes for this.
Get those thumbs off my lawn.
I thought my mouse died for a second. So I'm playing. I guess I'm playing Juggernaut, the jug or not game mode. Die. Hey, where you going, bro?
You're the Juggernaut.
Hey, Rolly. Where you going? Huh? Bro. Where's this guy? Hello. Oh, you. Stop moving! Wait, did I kill him though? Oh, I did. Bro, that was embarrassing. Since I did absolutely nothing, but okay, I did nothing useful. Everyone is attacking each other, but not the Juggernaut. So I'm gonna go do that. Look at his health. Like he's all shield. Stop it. How did none of those shots hit him though? Well, stuff happens. Use the ammo, just in case. You have a baseball bat.
New Juggernaut.
Oh, I want to be the Juggernaut. Give me. Wow. Okay. This is some bad commentary. Jesus. Family-friendly content. Get back here.
Better get over there. Only a minute left.
I assassinated Pebble. Pebble. What? Sniped? Man, if only they had. Imagine if they had kill cams in this game.
New Juggernaut.
There's a snipe. And the snipe.
You only got 30 seconds left.
Oh god. Stop it. God. Stop. Oh! Useless. Useless.
New Juggernaut. Ah, you'll get him next time.
That scared me. Call of Duty. Call of Duty 5. Wow. Look at this guy. This stupid face, I'm kidding. Bro, though, that... Rip. Roadside. I don't know. It's definitely not going to be roadside, but still. Worth voting. Ew. I just got this game yesterday, so I haven't played this specific map, so
Go get that scarecrow.
oh, we're King of the Crow. If you play Black Ops 4, you know this as what? You... Sure, I want to be on this team now. Stop moving. Boom. Jesus, bro. Ha! Okay, that was not. Am I winning or no? Actually, no, I'm not. Ah. Oh! Oh God.
The scarecrow moved.
Ah! No. Yes. Hurry up and drink whatever that is. Drink my blood, okay? This is grape juice, okay? Give me this Molotov. Molotov. Sounds like if no Doc even know that was trying to say Molotov. Get a Molotov. Get a Molotov. Ah! Ah! Why? So I quit trying to do that entitled parents and pretty much just Reddit videos. Cause you know I had a bad phone. I got a new one though. Hey, I'm so bad at this game. You are not gonna grow anymore. Oh, yeah, that's right. I lost my Molotov. Give me this. That's a grapey cow over there, okay? It's a grapey cow. No! My grape juice! I guess I gotta find the grapey cow again. I am such a...
Where'd the scarecrow go? Oh, it's over there.
Oh my God. Get up a ladder! And he jumped back down, okay! Here's that. Drinking my juice, drinking my blood. Appreciate it. I feel a little, what's the word? What was that? Oh, is he in the building? He is. Ooh. So we're still losing, but that's okay. We can clutch it. We can still clutch this. Such a bad aim. Such a bad aim. Die. Yes. Look at this guy. Dumb mustache. Ah! I can't move, I'm stuck on the table. That's right! Don't mess with me, bro. Yeah, we're winning now. No, no, no. Oh. Hey. What you doing? Well, they're not, where are they, bro? Oh, there they are. I don't have a gun. I have a bat. That's pretty much it. Ah! Molotovs. If you guys can hear that music in the background, ignore it. My mom's taking a shower, so just ignore it, please. Hey! Oh my god. That poor scarecrow. Ah! Jesus. Dealing with the shotgun. It's no special name for it, just a shotgun. That one's over there.
Where'd the
It's called the
scarecrow
Molotov
go?
cocktail.
Oh, it's over there.
You know this. 100% organic Molotov. That's right. Don't. Is he dead yet? Is he dead? I'm only gonna play PC games because I only know how to record it on PC, so I can't exactly play with friends unless they have Steam. I'm so bad at this game. Why is the sensitivity so high even though it's only 500? Controller sensitivity. Is that?
Victory!
Yay! Yeah! Yay! We won! Roadside! Next emote is, I don't even know what this is, string. Call of Duty.
Whoa! Catch that chicken!
Thank you. Wait, what? You sure I need to grab it? You know I have to grab that. You wanna go, bro? Die! Oh, I love this gun. I love the carrot launcher. Hey! How you doing there? Wait, what? There we go. I feel better now. Oh my god! Ah, you can deal with it. I'm getting the that isn't a carrot launcher or any other actual gun. No! 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 Ooh. Flamethrower! I mean, chili thrower. Invisible pepper thingy. Die! Hey! No! What? Oh. Jeez. Have some mercy. Please. Mercy. This has 0 range, I swear to God. Ah! I hate this chase! I hate that gun! Die! No! Give me this Molotov! Give me! Nobody's gonna end me but me! It's just like the ending of the Terminator movie. Let me stick my thumb up. You know, let the audience know that I'm not dead. Ah! Die! 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 I have such bad aim! Well... Pineapple grenade. I guess that could be pretty useful. Since when did pineapples grow on farms? Explodinated, yes!
Victory!
Yeah! Yes. Alright guys, we're gonna be wrapping up the video here. Leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this video. Please subscribe because it would mean a lot to me. My big goal right now is trying to get to 100 subscribers. It means the world to me if you just subscribe. You know, leave a like, get more views. For real though, just please do it for me, do it for all the groups.